Listen, bro, I don't even know how in the hell did I almost forget the PlayStation Portal. Like, it's the GOAT. Yo, what up, squad? All right, so Christmas, man. Listen, y'all, it's came and it's went, but you was one of those lucky ones that was out there where somebody loved you enough to the point where you was able to join the PS5 gang and you end up getting yourself a brand new PS5 Slim, or you ended up and going with the big boy and you got the PS5 Pro and you just over there, you smiling from ear to ear, boy. And I see you, trust me. I get it, I feel you, I'll be the same way, but listen, y'all, unfortunately, man, I had to buy mine myself. I ain't tripping, it's all right. I ain't loved. You know, it's okay. But now, man, you got everything that you've ever wanted, man. So in this video here, I wanted to go ahead and show you just some of the things that you might be missing that's going to actually enhance your PS5 gaming experience. So let's discuss. Now, the first accessory, man, that I think is going to be crucial for anyone that has a PS5 console, or if you're just looking or thinking about picking up a PS5, and that is just a solid pair of gaming headphones. Now, I went ahead and did a whole video where I broke down my favorite pair of gaming headphones and why I personally think that you guys should buy these right here. And these are the Audeze Maxwells. Now, the edition that I'm rocking right here that you guys see are the Maxwells, but they also are the Wasabi limited edition that just looks so freaking dope, man, especially when you put them on. Like, come on, man, these bad boys is legit, all right? Now, funny thing is, they are sold out in this pair right here. You can no longer buy these, but the version that I like, that I used to wear, is the all black pair, but I ended up giving away that to my brother, so shout out to him. But when I tell you, man, the Dezis, which is what I call them, man, you know, shout out to the Desi crew. These bad boys right here are the best gaming headphones on the market, hands down. And it's not even close, man. I don't care what nobody say, it's not close, all right? From the build quality all the way down to the audio quality as well as the comfortability, it's just so freaking top tier. So there's Hyundai out there, and then there's Lamborghinis, all right? Well, this one right here is the Lambo of gaming headphones, if that, you know, if that paints the picture for you, all right? Now, I'll go ahead and link down below, man, a pair for you guys to pick up for yourself, as well as everything else that I'm going to be mentioning in today's video. So definitely make sure you guys check that out. Trust me, y'all, the Dezis right here, hey, man, you can't go wrong with these bad boys, all right? But let's say real quick, you're like, well, see, kid, man, those are cool and all of that, but I want something that's going to keep the look and style of the PlayStation family. Now, although the Dezis right here are still owned by Sony, Sony does own Audeze, but the PlayStation style headphones that I recommend you guys pick up is going to be the PlayStation Pulse Elites. Now, these right here are so good, man. They are a really good pair of gaming headphones that I've personally been using myself when it comes to my PS5 as well. And I feel like you get a good bang for your buck when it comes to these. And I'll have a price and link and all of that down below. But you also get dual Bluetooth capabilities with this to be able to connect to your smartphone as well as your console. And when it comes to the microphone here, you have an AI feature that's going to be able to mute a lot of the surrounding audio, and it is so good, man, to the point where you only hear your voice. I don't care if you have a bag of chips. Matter of fact, just take a listen for yourself. The thing I want to actually test out with you guys, man, is the AI noise reduction within this microphone, because if it's as good as they say it is, then I should be able to eat my cheese and caramel mix here with ruffle in the bag and all of that without nobody saying to me whenever I'm gaming with them, like, yo, who is this eating in my ear? Because I promise y'all, you know, it ain't me, although it is me. But hopefully now, you know, I should be able to ruffle my bag or whatever, and I ain't got to hear nobody mouth. So y'all let me know down in the comment section below if y'all hear me eating, if y'all hear the bag, or is the mic actually doing what it's supposed to do? Because if it is, I promise y'all, it's about to be some good eating up in this room. Next thing I want to actually test out with you guys, man, is the AI noise reduction within this microphone, because if it's as good as they say it is, then I should be able to eat my cheese and caramel mix here with ruffle in the bag and all of that without nobody saying to me whenever I'm gaming with them, like, yo, who is this eating in my ear? Because I promise y'all, you know, it ain't me, although it is me. But hopefully now, you know, I should be able to ruffle my bag or whatever, and I ain't got to hear nobody mouth. So y'all let me know down in the comment section below if y'all hear me eating, if y'all hear the bag, or is the mic actually doing what it's supposed to do? Because if it is, I promise y'all, it's about to be some good eating up in this room. And on top of that, man, you also get that 3D audio profile that we all know PlayStation is really good at. So with these headphones right here, man, I really do think that these here are a solid pickup for sure. So, you can go ahead and check that out too. All right, now before we actually get into the next accessory here, let me go ahead and tell you guys about the sponsor of this portion of the video, and that is PXN and their gaming controller called the P5 wireless gaming controller for PC, Switch, as well as your iOS or Android device. Comes in two different colors. The one that I have here is the all black edition, but they also have a white edition as well. It has dual effect triggers here up top with a 0.05 millimeter trigger precision. You have dual Hall effect magnetic joysticks with 1000 hertz polling rate. Y'all know me, I love my Hall effects. All right, come on PlayStation, maybe one day, we're gonna be there too. All right, I'm waiting on you. Now, when it comes to the trigger travel here on the top here, you do have a dual stage trigger locking system with a 0 to 255 adjustable travel for either your short press or even your long press travel, which is good, man, because if you're playing games like Forza Horizon 5 or if you're playing games like Dirt, you might need that longer travel pull versus if you're playing games like my favorite game, which is Call of Duty, which you guys know I am a beast at. I'm probably one of the best. Now, it also comes with 4 macro buttons here on the back of the controller, or what I like to call the triggers. You get your M1, you get your M2, you get your M3, as well as your M4 buttons, where each macro button is able to record up to 32 actions, which is a crazy amount of actions that you can record up to these buttons here, as well as you can be able to map your turbo functions as well. Now, when it comes to connectivity here, you can actually use this controller as a wired controller, or you can go wireless like I like to go, and you have the 2.4 gigahertz dongle that is also included with the packaging. It also supports 0 dead zone as well as the standard 10% dead zone mode as well. Now, let's say you guys are a Nintendo Switch gamer. Well, it also has a built-in 6-axis gyroscope that is also good for supporting native motion controls on your Nintendo Switch. Now, if you guys are a mobile gamer, it also has you covered too. It can support Bluetooth connectivity to mobile phones. Now, it also has an app that allows for visual programming, as well as supports vibration intensity adjustments, as well as button remapping as well. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and include a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to pick up this controller right here, or if you just want to learn more about it. Thanks again to PXN for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now, the next PS5 accessory that is a must own, man, and that is strictly for your controllers that I have right up here. And matter of fact, let me just take this off and let me show you exactly what it is. All right, now it is the official DualSense charging dock. Now, I know you guys see that it has the option for, and I got a little dust on it, you know what I mean? I use mine, all right? But it has a option for 2 different controllers to be charged at one time. But don't worry, because I know you're sitting there, you're like, C-Kid, but the system only came with the one DualSense controller. Like, what? I need to fill in the spaces, bro. What are we talking about? Listen, don't worry. I got you on that in a little bit. Just keep watching, all right? With this dock right here, man, I use this dock literally every single day to be able to recharge my controllers. Like, honestly, y'all, I would hate to have to keep plugging in my controller directly into my console in order for me to be able to keep my controller charged up. But trust me, man, do yourself a favor and pick up the official PlayStation charging dock. Trust me, you will not go wrong adding this to your setup. Remember, I did say that this bad boy has 2 slots for you guys to be able to charge up your controller. Well, that is because it is a must. If you are a PlayStation gamer and you enjoy FPS or first-person shooter style games like Call of Duty, again, you know I'm the GOAT at, and you like challenging games like Black Myth Wukong, all right, which still should have been Game of the Year. I'm still salty over that, and no, I'm never letting it go, all right? This controller right here, y'all, is single-handedly have replaced any controller that I use with the PS5 console, and that is the DualSense Edge controller. Now, it comes with 2 triggers here on the back that you see. Shout out to my gold triggers. And I use these triggers here purely for movement when it comes to slide canceling or drop shotting whenever I'm playing in Call of Duty or something like that. It's just so goated that's going to give you that competitive advantage. Now, I got to be fair. The battery life on this controller, I'm gonna be honest, is not the best. But if you guys pick up this battery pack that I have to show you guys, then it is a must that you use it on here, because it's gonna give you guys a full battery cycle to be able to keep playing. So do yourself a favor, scoop up this controller as well as scoop up the little battery pack as well. Now, this next one here would be for those people that are out there that still like to use physical discs for some reason when it comes to their PS5 consoles, and that is the PS5 disc drive. Now, for me, I've graduated to all digital gaming because, listen, I don't have time or feel like crowding up my room here with just a bunch of physical discs anymore. And it's like, come on, bro, it's 2024. We're getting ready to head into 2025. Who wants to keep stacking up them discs like that? And even, it don't even come with the booklets no more. But this disc drive here, man, if you have the PS5 Slim or the PS5 Pro, it will work on both systems. You just remove the slide plate and then you connect it up and you pair it to your console. And just keep in mind, when you guys are plugging this into your system, yes, you need to be connected to the internet in order for you guys to be able to pair it to your consoles. But once you guys are done, you can play your games or you can watch movies using your PS5 if you have physical movies still, which would make sense because, again, it's 2024 and you're still not on digital, which means you probably still got physical movie discs too. And listen, I'm not judging, but I will say this though, it might be really freaking hard to find that disc drive, man. But if you get your hands on one or you see one, you might want to scoop it up quick, man, because these bad boys has been selling out fast as soon as the PS5 Pro got announced. Now, the last item that I feel like is a must-have if you have a PS5 system, and that is the PS5 internal M.2 SSD expandable storage drive. Now, the one that I have here, man, is the one that I recommend in all of my videos when it comes to the PS5, and that is the Western Digital one that I have right here. It's so clutch to have because, as you guys know, man, the game file sizes today, listen, bro, they ridiculous, all right? Especially my AAA titles. I love my AAA titles, but come on, y'all, we gotta get them file sizes down. I mean, a few games in, and your onboard internal storage is just eating up so damn quick. So I recommend, man, at least 2 terabytes of M.2 SSD storage drive to be put inside of your system. So that way you should at least be good for a long period of time. Now, installing this into your PS5 console is super easy. All you guys got to do is just pop off the cover here, put the new one in, man, and then you're good to go. I also have a video right up here where you can watch the entire process, all right? Oh, and there's one more, man, I almost forgot to mention. Listen, bro, I don't even know how I almost forgot this one. It's the GOAT, all right? And that is the PlayStation Portal. This bad boy right here is probably the single best gaming thing that they've ever came out with when it comes to the PS5. I freaking love my PlayStation Portal here. Now, I do have a different type of plates that I have on mine, which gives it that whole different Spider-Man type of vibe and look to it. But trust me, y'all, this here is the GOAT when it comes to PlayStation. I love my PlayStation Portal, but here, this is going to allow you guys to be able to play a lot of your games on the go. Also have a new feature to where you do not even need a PlayStation 5 to be able to game a lot of the PlayStation games right here on the console. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, then I highly, highly recommend that you guys check out the PlayStation Portal, man. I will have a link for this one as well down in the description section below. Listen, bro, I don't even know how in the hell did I almost forget the PlayStation Portal? Like, it's the GOAT. All right, so the sponsor of this portion of the video here is the Get AI Eyewear glasses. It does come with AI functionality to be able to use ChatGTP, which is built into the glasses using the Get app. We also get open ear audio. You also get a built-in microphone with EN noise cancellation that's in it that's going to focus more on your vocals. You also get Bluetooth version 5.4, and then you also get the ability to be able to use this on iOS as well as Android. You do have the ability to take these off and then it's going to automatically power down the glasses, but as soon as you guys put these back on, it's going to go ahead and power back up the glasses automatically. Now, the other cool thing about this here is being able to use ChatGTP, which is primarily what I'm going to be using these for. All you have to do is have the Get app open and have it actively running. Just press and hold. Let me know about some pizza spots that are in New York City. You can see my response right here in the application, and it's going to read it back to me while I'm wearing the glasses.
Wine, such as champagne, prosecco, or cava.
Now, the other thing that I also like is the fact that these are lightweight. When it comes to playback time, when it comes to music, you are going to get up to 10 hours of playback time with these glasses right here. Now, the lenses in these are nylon lenses, which means that these are going to be a little bit better than what you are typically used to when it comes to a normal pair of sunglasses or just a normal pair of glasses. These here will give you more than 95% light transmission, which is going to give you outstanding clarity as well as quality when it comes to the lens lenses in these glasses. And if you're wondering, Get also offers a lot more lenses as well as different styles that's going to fit you guys best. And again, thanks for Get for sponsoring this portion of the video. But that's about it, man. I just wanted to share this video here with all of my new PS5 owners that are out there, man. Welcome to this exclusive club. I know you can smell it. You know what I mean? The air feels better up here, all right? But if you know, man, any other accessories that you guys want to let people know if you're watching this video that I did not mention in this video here, go ahead and comment it down below, as well as join my PS5 Discord squad gang and join in, man, on the conversation, because people be in there talking about whatever, showing their setup, sharing different games and all of that, man. We are just a community of PS5 gamers, man, that love helping each other out. It's a dope community, man, that we building, and y'all should go ahead and tap in, all right? Thanks again to PXN for sponsoring today's video. If you would like this controller here, I will have a link for it down in the description section below. See you guys in the next one. Happy gaming, squad. We out.